color scheme.
Even the... But seriously.
My whole wardrobe is basically sponsored by Stitch and Feather. Been on a shopping spree.
Would that go?
Yeah.
That's too much. Is that too similar?
Not in Egypt.
Or that. And that. That would definitely go.
I forgot you got those shorts.
Which ones?
The cool patterned one underneath. Yeah, I like those a lot. They look like paint.
Paint.
This was the night before the trip. We are packing. Need those. Clothes is kind of sorted. Jason's pretty much done. However, my stuff is everywhere. Toiletries. Suitcases are here. We have little matching ones. The travel fit.
Compression socks on deck.
Look at the shoes though. Wow. Wow. Stop. I got these little bad boys. Currently all packed up. Waiting for our ride. Hooray. I look bald. I look like a bald man. Bye, house. So our flight's been delayed by 75 minutes. So now we get to sit.
Jimmy. Those are bomb.
Bomb.
Gatwick free tickets, he's to take on.
Just water?
Yeah.
One nap later.
One pepper for health. So we finally made it. We're alive.
Barely.
Probably the longest travel trip we've ever done. 26, you said?
8 hours, yeah.
26-ish hours.